Hello everyone. Today we will be going to do block number 17, light, shadow and more. We will be going to do LP1 and LP2. So let's start with the LP1, that is transparency in materials. What's our aim here? To differentiate material on the basis of their ability to pass light. Resources we need: a black chart paper, flashlight, clear glass, butter paper, aluminium foil and one notebook. Keywords are light. So what is light? A kind of energy to see the things. Second word is partial. Partial means not complete. Fuzzy. Fuzzy means not clear in appearance. So let's start. What we have to do, step 1, we will see whether the clear glass, butter paper, aluminium foil and notebook allow light to pass through them or not. When we put on light on these objects, what we will find? We will find that the clear glass allows light to pass them completely. Butter paper allows light to pass them partially, not completely. Aluminium sheet and notebook, they do not allow any light to pass through them. That thing we have observed. Now we generalized our discussion. How are transparent, translucent and opaque objects different from each other? How we can say that these are different? We can say that these are different because they allow different kind of light to pass through them. As I told you that transparent material allow all light to pass through them. Or we can see the objects through them. For example, aquarium, clear water, clear glass, these are transparent material. Translucent material that allows some light to pass through them. For example, butter paper, cotton cloth, frosted glass, these are the example of translucent materials. Last one is opaque material. They do not allow any light to pass through them. For example, wood, bottle, not glass bottle, metallic bottle you can say. Blackboard, wall, that do not allow any light to pass through them, so they are considered as a opaque material. Now let's discuss about the higher order thinking question. Where have you seen the use of transparent, translucent and opaque object in the home? So you can give various examples. Here I am going to discuss like transparent material, glass, that are used to make spectacles, magnifying glass, bottles and window panes, and we can see through them, and they also allow light to pass through them. Translucent material, they also in home what we use, the frosted glass, butter paper, these are the example of translucent one. And opaque, wall, door, they do not allow any light to pass through them completely, so they are opaque material. So that's all about this topic. Let's discuss about the practice questions. First question is, sort these material into transparent, translucent and opaque object. So we can see through water and polythene, so we can categorize them into a transparent object. Frosted glass allow some light to pass through them, so it is considered as translucent one. Blackboard, wooden door, milk, they do not allow any light to pass through them, so we can categorize them as a opaque object. Second question, you have to write down two differences between transparent, translucent and opaque object with an example of each. So, transparent object, the material that allow light to pass through them completely. Example, glass of water, clear glass, clear water. These are the example of transparent things. Translucent material that allows some light to pass through them. These are called translucent one. For example, oily paper. And opaque object that do not allow any light to pass through them. For example, wall, blackboard, door. You can consider them as an opaque objects. Third question is, what kind of glass is used to make sunglasses? Transparent or translucent? Give reason for your answer. So sunglasses are made up of translucent glass because it allow partial light to pass through them so that our eyes can be protected from the harmful rays of bright rays of sun. Thank you.